Are you looking to build a new website? Well, the first thing you need is a domain name. And that's what this training is all about. So what exactly is a domain name or a domain? A domain is your unique internet address, and it includes HTTPS. It also includes, but does not need to include, www, and that's because since 1996, it really was no longer necessary. And it also needs something called a TLD, which is your .com, your .net, your .org. I'd like to begin by talking about the TLD because, as you can see, my website is fieldsgraphicdesign.com. But I also bought nancyfields.design because nancyfields.com was not available. And there are over 1,000 TLDs to choose from. And I happen to like this website, tld-list.com, because they have this great TLDs listed alphabetically, and I found it very, very easy to find whether or not there was a TLD that I thought served my purpose. The other thing you should know is that you definitely want your website address to begin with HTTPS, not HTTP, and here's why. If your website address begins with HTTP, visitors will see a not secure message come up. And that's because a few years ago, Google decided to penalize websites that did not have the extra security measures in place, meaning that they didn't have HTTPS. And it is something you have to buy. And SSL stands for Secure Socket Layers. And it's a special code that keeps your data transfer more secure. And if you'd like to know more about what an SSL certificate is and why you need one, you can check out my blog, and you can also check out my YouTube channel. But what is the best domain for you if you're just starting out? Your first and last name is always a great choice, and or your company name. But what if those are already taken? Well, you could do what I did in case it was nancyfields.design. If I was a coach, I might consider nancyfields.coach. Or I could do something else, like if I was writing a book and I was an author, nancyfieldsauthor.com. And where do you find a domain name? Your website host, if you have chosen a host already, often has domain names, and frequently they will give you a domain name for free for the first year of your hosting plan. GoDaddy.com is still a super popular place to buy domain names. I also found this site to be very easy to use and very quick to find out if a domain name was available, as well as how much it might be. Do you need help setting up your domain name, website hosting, and WordPress too? Well, I do that for many of my customers. I also offer a free training on Mondays. And if you go to my website homepage, fieldsgraphicdesign.com, and sign up, you'll receive an invitation to join me live, and you can also ask me a question. So, thanks for watching. I hope to see you on 10 Minute Monday.